Salutations everyone, welcome. Today I'm doing a very quick video on Magic Delivered. This is the box that I've received from them. It's their quarterly box, so I'm excited to see what's inside it. I haven't got the faintest idea what the theme is or anything, and I'm making it quick because the sun's out. It is beautiful here in England today. We've got warm weather, blue skies, and so that's why I'm not making anything, and for the duration of the summer I'll just be doing this kind of content. I have got a few ideas for things to make come, when the weather's gone rotten again, but for now I'm just making the most of this beautiful weather, and so are the cats. I mean, we're outside in the garden just enjoying it. So let me unpack this lot and I'll just go straight to giving you close-ups of everything that's in here and we'll check it out together. Okay, so we've got a few things in here. First of all, there's this like flag thing, a banner, established 1451, moonlit midair mayhem broom race. Yeah. Okay, thank you. God only knows what I would do with that, but probably pop it in the charity bag. There's also a little card here that says the same thing. That's going to be the spoiler sheet by the look of it. Next up, we have a cap, Magical Mallet Polo Club, with, I guess that's a thestral with a player on it with a mallet. Okay. Moving on. All right then, next we've got one of those teacups that we had last time. So Ursula Black's highest quality cups and saucers. Let me wrestle with this. Have you been watching any decent TV lately? We've been watching The Sandman, the second series. Can't believe that Netflix are making us wait a fortnight for the next installment. Okay, so it's a very attractive, tiny baby little teacup with flags and banners and a scarf and so forth on it. And there's a little saucer to go with it, with a snitch, which is cool. And I'm guessing those are bludgers or whatever. What do you think about the actor that plays the Sandman? I feel like chatting today. I love his hair. His hair I'm obsessed with. Honestly, it takes me right back to the 80s. That kind of Ian McCulloch hairdo. Oh my God. Fabulous. What I wouldn't give for thick, lustrous hair like that. Okay, next we've got Race Route, and then a map with a finish line on it. That is cool, actually. Very cool. Nice. And on the other side, School to Station Triathlon. Oh my God, it is a sports theme thing, isn't it? And I am the least sporty person in the entire world. This box is definitely not for me. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, we've got some stickers here. Triathlon sticker, dragon roasted popcorn, the Polo Club, and these are basically the same designs as we see on everything else that's in this box. Next, we have a popcorn box, dragon roasted popcorn. That is cool, and I think, yeah, it's plastic, so you can reuse that. Yeah, you can get your hand down inside it. That's fine. Nice one. And inside that is like a water bottle. It's like a thermos flask, so for hot or cold. 40 Magus Elixir of Strength, contains dragon's blood, established 1880. Red currant flavour, apparently. That's nice. And all on the back here, there's a whole bunch more writing on it. And yeah, it's a flask. Cool. Okay, that's actually quite a useful object. All right, and then last but not least, whatever's in this mystery bag. No pin, that's weird. Okay, so in here, dread to think what this is going to be. Oh my God. What the hell? Okay. All right, then we've got some baby dragons. I don't even know. Some are cuter than others. I love this green one. He's very sweet. And this teal coloured one. Oh my God, they got like Puss in Boots eyes. Wow. Okay, so we've got a little bag of dragons. It says, Drago Dupe, your prime source for critter copies, 1792. All right then. Well, I'm amazed that I don't have a pin in this. Let me just check. Nope, no pins. All right then. So I guess I don't know what my favourite thing is. Honestly, none of them really are for me, being, so, unfit as I am. These aren't really something that I would ever buy for myself. Maybe one of these little guys, I will pop him, I think, on a shelf. But other than that, that's it really. All right then, take care, stay safe. I'll see you for the next one.